Hey guys, good evening. So this is a quick little really quick. Okay, so this is a quick real review or recap for my trade on the opening session of second quarter, second week. And as you can all see that this is the new week opening gap priced at this right here. And this red one is the consequent encroachment of this wick. The line in the blue, not the blue, this purple line mid is the consequent encroachment of new week opening gap, and this is the red line is consequent encroachment of this wick, the first candle of 1 minute. And we see the drop. So this is where we start our evening, right, of Friday, as you can see here. And we took out the session liquidity, PM session liquidity of Friday last week with a sudden drop, and I see the opportunity to close this gap and clear these buy side. So our buy side is at 29,352. We cleared that out. You see as right there. I think I marked this one, so it was easy to, easy and quick. Uh, right there, somewhere. So yeah. So the idea was taking this as an inversion, or you know, how they say it, IFVG. This was the IFBG. The bodies are not closing below this area. You can see, right? And the bodies are not closing below the mean threshold of this candle inversion. And this is of 6 past 15. So we see I enter here, and then as we're dropping, I put more orders right there, and basically very few 553.00, 53 even 60, so almost like 10 points in the drawdown. And then we roll up my first stop, my first target to take out at least something was here, right, as you can see right there. And then my minor buy side, okay, and my other one was the mean threshold of this one, right? So I'm just gonna write it on down here. took something off. I just took like 5 contracts off here, and then as we hit the almost new week opening gap mid, I took a little bit more off just to remain calm, just to remain calm and be in the trade. After this thing, like after taking out this and closing this gap right there, this gap, right? Closing this gap with this, I expected this move. I didn't want them to clear this one just because I don't know, it's just, just the algorithm and my price action reading after these many years. So I expected this kind of time distortion and then trading back to this order block out of consolidation. Not order block, I mean fair value gap. And then tap into it and then clear those out like here, right there. Um, Good profit, good trade. And this model is actually easy. The Sunday opening, new week opening gap is my favorite model, and I kind of like it's easy to read. It's go and done, right? And then we see relative equal highs, and then they're dropping in the closing of uh right this our session for the Asia around 10 right there, right here. Okay. And yeah, so they did this and then they went for these lows and maybe more of this inversion right there, never making into the low of it. So your stops were secure right there. And just that's about it. That was our trade for the Asia yesterday. And you see I was kind of this is more than this is more than enough, for a week. Some of you guys, it's just they'll say it's not, but it really is. That's all you need, right? And yeah, so it was easy, and our previous sessions were not that good. So I was really targeting the session liquidity for the PM, and then go clear these buy side, this making highest high, higher high for the NQ. And I will upload some reviews for the gold. The gold did amazing, and hopefully you'll guys see it also. And thanks for watching. Have a good day, guys.